Hey there, everyone. Today, we're diving deep into the top 10 secrets to attract and date the woman of your dreams. These aren't your run-of-the-mill tips. These are pearls of wisdom gathered from a lifetime of experience and expert advice. So keep these secrets close to your chest and don't spill the beans to any woman. You want to stand out from the crowd and become a high-value man, right? Let's get started. The first rule: don't put her on a pedestal. All right, the first and arguably the most crucial rule: never ever put a woman on a pedestal. Now, I know what you're thinking. It seems logical to shower her with compliments and admiration, right? Wrong. Doing so will only make you look like just another simp. Women crave a challenge, something they can't have easily. If you start worshiping her right off the bat, she'll quickly realize you're readily available, and her interest will fade faster than you can say, friend zone. Rule 2. Be authentic. Moving on to the second rule: be your genuine self. It might be tempting to mirror her tastes and interests in an attempt to impress her. But trust me, this approach backfires. Women value authenticity and are drawn to individuals who are confident in their own beliefs and passions. Don't morph into a dull, agreeable shadow of yourself. Let your unique personality shine. Be the intriguing, confident man that you are. Rule 3. Be unpredictable. Next up is the third rule: avoid being too available. I get it, the desire to be there for her 24/7 is strong, but if you drop everything for her, she'll start to take you for granted. Women, just like men, enjoy a bit of a chase. They're attracted to someone who has a vibrant life, filled with passions and commitments. So don't text her incessantly or cancel your plans just to be with her. Show her that your time is valuable, and she'll begin to value it too. Rule 4. Embrace mystery. The fourth rule is to maintain an air of mystery. Don't lay all your cards on the table at once. Women are naturally curious creatures, and a bit of mystery keeps them intrigued. Share enough about yourself to keep her interested, but always have something up your sleeve for future conversations. This will make you appear more fascinating with each interaction, keeping her engaged and wanting to know more. Rule 5. Stick to your mission. The fifth rule is to stay committed to your mission in life. Your goals and passions define who you are. Never abandon them for anyone, even if she seems displeased initially. In the long run, she'll respect you more for staying true to your purpose. Being dedicated to your mission showcases your strength, determination, and integrity, all highly attractive traits. Rule 6. Stay true to yourself. All right, folks, let's dive into rule number 6. Stay true to yourself. This one's a biggie. Picture this. You're in a relationship and suddenly she starts suggesting little changes, maybe a tweak to your style, a shift in your hobbies, or a different approach to your daily routine. It might seem harmless at first, but here's the kicker. Women are often drawn to the authentic you. If you start morphing into someone else to fit her ideals, you risk losing the very essence that attracted her in the first place. Imagine this as a trap, one that's easy to fall into, but hard to escape from. She was captivated by the original version of you, the one that stood out from the crowd. So stand firm. Be the person you were when she fell for you, and don't let subtle pressures lead you astray. Rule number 7. Never sacrifice your dreams. Dreams are the lifeblood of your future, the driving force behind your ambitions and aspirations. Now, when you're with someone special, it's natural to seek their support and encouragement. But beware, sometimes in the name of love, you might find yourself shelving those dreams. Don't. A partner worth keeping will be your cheerleader, not your obstacle. They should fuel your ambitions, not stifle them. Pursue your goals with relentless passion. And remember, no relationship is worth losing sight of your dreams. Your dreams define you. Let them shine through every challenge. Rule number 8. Set clear boundaries. Boundaries are the invisible lines that protect your individuality and respect in a relationship. It's crucial to recognize that everyone makes mistakes, nobody's perfect, and forgiveness is key. However, consistent disrespect or behavior that clashes with your core values shouldn't be overlooked. It's essential to establish and maintain clear boundaries. This doesn't mean being harsh or unforgiving. It means valuing yourself enough to ensure that your partner understands and respects your limits. Remember, boundaries are not about keeping people out, but about defining where you stand and what you stand for. Rule number 9. Don't ignore red flags. This one is a lifesaver, literally. When you're in the throes of new romance, it's easy to get swept away by sweet words and captivating looks. But here's the reality check. Every relationship has its red flags. It's crucial to keep your eyes wide open and your mind sharp. Analyze her behavior critically. Does she respect you? Is there honesty and mutual understanding? A relationship is built on more than just attraction. It's about accepting each other's flaws and navigating them together. Don't let the allure of romance blind you to potential issues that could spell trouble down the road. Rule number 10. Be a high-value man. Now, what does that mean? It's not just about looks or charm. Being a high-value man is about embodying qualities of integrity, influence, and respect. It's about being the guy others look up to, not because you demand it, but because you've earned it through your actions. Focus on your strengths, work on your weaknesses, and strive for constant personal growth. Remember, attractiveness isn't just skin deep. It's about the substance of your character. Be the man who stands out not just for his appearance, but for his value and integrity. So there you have it, gentlemen, the top 10 rules to attract and date the woman of your dreams. It's not about playing games. It's about being a high-value man who is confident, charismatic, and respected. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to explore the other videos on this channel for more tips on becoming the best version of yourself.